What's up guys, it's Marissa with Krietz Customs going over a 2021 Jeep Gladiator overview of what Krietz Customs added to this Jeep. Starting off with your suspension kit, we did the 2.5-inch rough country suspension with springs and shocks all the way around with the premium N3s. Now with your bigger suspension kit, we can add that bigger wheel and tire package. We did the 22x12 4P06s. This is a 4-play wheel. This is going to be the gloss black and brushed finish in a 22x12 negative 44mm offset. Now when you're building your Jeep, you want to make sure the negative 44mm offset, it is going to stick out 4 inches past the factory fenders. Your tire is going to be a Mickey Thompson Baja Boss MTs, and it's going to have a great aggressive style look for this build. Now this Jeep specifically does have a color match. We did not do it, but it comes like this from the factory. You have your white bumpers, your fenders, your mirror caps, and also the top. Now this spring and summer we are going topless. This has a Freedom top. You can take off the front 2 panels for the springtime, and then when it gets warmer out in the summer you can take the full hard top off. We love that about a Jeep. It's a summer vehicle. Take the doors off. It's gonna look hot going down the road in your Krietz Customs build. Again, if you want to learn more information about this, check it out at KreitzAuto.com or give us a call 301-694-4642.